And also I did a bit of an upgrade to the Skyline. My car really needs a wash. Hello everyone, it's JD here, and it's a really sunny day outside. It is currently the middle of autumn. Autumn's going to be ending in about a month from now, so let's just enjoy it while we last before we go into winter, because that's going to be really, really annoying for me. But we are in front of the Skyline right now, and the reason is because I have a new present for the Skyline. As I have been talking about in my status seasonal video, basically the floor mats in my Skyline were getting very old, and they're about 21 years old now, and they are starting to deteriorate. Pieces are falling off it. It is not pretty, but I do want to preserve them because they are OEM and they are Skyline mats, which I really love. But I do need mats, so I have replaced them with these Ikigai Garage mats, which my friend Jay over in Canada sent me. Oh, I bought off him actually, so not really sent, it's more that I purchased. But we're going to be putting them on the Skyline today, and I'll be showing you guys that. And also I did a bit of an upgrade to the Skyline, which I'm going to show you guys now, because as you know, with old Japanese cars, they tend to not come with alarms from the factory. So I went ahead and I bought an alarm system and got it installed. This is a Mongoose M80S, I believe it's called, and it is pretty mint. So as you can see, these old mats literally cracking, and they are literally falling apart, as you can see. Not a good look, and they're leaving little black bits of rubber all over my floor. So these are going to be retired. I'm going to be taking these, I'm going to be spreading them out here. That's one. Now I got to go and get the one from my driver's side. Oh, that was a lot. That's that one. And also, fingers crossed, these should fit in the car. That should do. Now let's go get the other one. So there we go. We now have new aftermarket floor mats on the car. Now, that is practically the start of my week over. I have put the new floor mats in, we have the car alarm put in, and I also got to show you guys how the immobilizer works because it's pretty cool. Now, the second step to my car. One piece of security that I love is the fact that if I was to try and turn my car on now, put the key in, turn it all the way, as you see, that is on. The reason that it's doing that is because it is not allowing power to the ignition. So what I do is I click the alarm button, and now I can turn the car on. The aircon is coming on, the lights are on, I have ignition, the car is now officially running. So guys, I'm back at home, and since I've been gone, I basically recorded for a gig for work, so did a bit of off-screen stuff, and now it is nighttime, as you can see. But the rest of today is practically prep for tomorrow, because we got to get ready for Sakura Picnic in Bundoora. So I'm going to be traveling on to the other side of the city, basically to go to a car show, which is going to be sick. Not just any car show though, it is Sakura Picnic, which is a Japanese car and bike festival, and it is going to be mad. I think last time they held it in Albert Park or near Albert Park, but this time they're holding it in Bundoora at one of the giant ovals there, I believe. We will see when we get there, but I've got to pre-meet and cruise early in the morning in Scoresby, so I got to be up early and get there before 7:15 to depart so that we can get to the other side in a group. And for that, I have my GoPro. So you guys are going to be coming along with me. And speaking of coming along with me, we're going to go wash my car now, so I'll see you guys when I get there. So rad, make a boy. And now I know I do this quite a lot, but it's also time to clean my headlights. It is looking a lot cleaner. Good morning. You don't see one of these every day, that's for sure. Damn, Nissan SEMA. So guys, I'm having the tradies breakfast, iced coffee, and a sausage roll. And we are heading off. Where's my keys? This thing is actually mad.
Getting directions to Bundoora.
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Damn. This is a turnout and a half.
When I saw it, I was like, brake, and I'd already hit it. I didn't hit anything,
I
but
smashed
my exhaust.
Oh wait, that's the one that Lexus was like scraping on? I just saw the scrape, like, oh! As I was saying over and over in the car, this is JDM Heaven.
Yeah, I heard the fucking...
Damn. Oh, that's so cheap. Oh, that thing is immaculate. Altia front bumper, is it? Nah, surely not. That is mad. Sleeker. Oh, let's look at the hats. For a second I thought that said Pepsi, but it's actually Datsun.
Wow, you thought that Datsun was a Pepsi.
Oh yeah.
I'm embarrassed for you.
Oh, I know, that's fair enough. Oh my god. Where? Oh, I see a 300 ZX.
Yeah, it's not a GTR.
Big? No, I
Do
wouldn't.
too.
I wouldn't get the big ones.
I know exactly who I'm
All
buying
big
that
ones.
for. Damn. It's a Suzuki Carry. That is mint.
Yeah. Some of the travel of it is only like 40 centimeters.
Barry B Benson, is that you? Okay guys, so I have been in this event for no more than like 10 minutes and I've already bought stuff. We have the GTR set, pretty much the premium GTR set with all the R32, 3 and 4. I also got a R34 with the Gran Turismo kit, and I also got a stock 300ZX, which I'm giving to a friend. So that's my day. I've already spent $75 on plastic and metal, but now I'm going to start taking the cinematics, and then I'm going to go back and take photos, and that's going to conclude the start of this event. So some people, when they're on a budget, they literally live off ramen noodles, but if you want to get JDM ramen noodles, you got to pay $60 a pack. For that price, you might as well use it as a as an air filter. Also, check out this AZ1. It's a Mazda. That is a spaceship and a half, and I really want one. Hello, do you know why I pulled you over? Yes, we're on our way to the Mushroom Kingdom. Damn. What the hell is this? Did someone try and do an engine swap on their bike and then just completely torqued it? It's been torched and everything. There's like Jack Daniels or something over there. This guy was like having like ramen noodles and then he just blew up his bike. I don't know. I think this is the first time I'm seeing it too, because I saw him when he had the R32 before the engine blew.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's like what, 28, maybe 2018 or 19? Probably 19.
Early 19, I think.
Yeah, that sounds about right. It's the first year of me owning the Skyline too.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I remember that night I saw you at...
I was at Port Melbourne, I think.
what was it called? The Spirit Tasmania?
Oh yeah, just out the front of there. And we got that.
We're going for a cruise and you ended up being there, and then we started taking photos.
Yeah, because I think Bodie's like, oh yeah, you should come out.
Damn.
It's not your member
I
number.
don't even know
It's
what
just
my
like,
fucking member number is.
Oh,
I don't know.
this is the game of Guess Who right here.
I'll give you a better idea. Hang on, is it Tristan?
Give you a better idea.
It's Tristan. It's Tristan. No, Dylan.
I'm gonna get demonetized. Goddamn.
It's Lucas.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah.
Now go in for the keys. So, I've been here for a couple of hours and it is growing by the minute. We've literally got lines upon lines of Japanese cars right here. There are MR2s, there's NSXs, there's MX5s. There are Japanese cars as far as the eye can see. And this event is becoming one of my favorite events of the year. So I am going to enjoy the hell out of it while I can. That is cool. Look at how clean that is. Oh my god, that's a big turbo. Oh my god, it's a 2J. Oh my god, it's a 350Z. And it's running semi-slicks. Are they slicks?
No, they're Mickey Thompsons.
Yeah, they're semis, but they're Mickey Thompson, so
Oh,
they're
yeah.
basically a slick.
Oh, it's this boy. This thing is so VIP. Damn. Still clean.
I don't think it is.
Damn, this is a blast from the past.
Hang on.
Wait, what brand is this?
It's a Mighty Boy, mate.
I've never seen one before. It's a Suzuki, is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's got bride seats too. Oh, sorry. That is so cool. Honda Legend. Integra LS. Another Integra Type R. Ooh, this is mint. A TRX. Ooh.
S600.
Honda S600. Before the S2000. So, in the next episode of Car Review, we are looking at the Skyline selection today. And we got the R31 here. This is the TI 3.0. And look at the sticker set on this. It's got an Ikigai Garage sticker as well, which is mint. Got some nice stickers. Oh, this one also. I love that. That was back when Jay had Finesse Brand Goods, and then he changed that over to Ikigai Garage. That's mint. And right next to it is this really mint Skyline. I don't know what model. I think it's a GT. This is a GTS Skyline now, and it's in a really nice color. It kind of looks like a Millennium Jade, but in a more paler form of it. It has the original gold badges too. 24 valve ceramic turbo, so it's a turbocharged one. And it's a collector's item apparently, as you can see here. This is mint. This one has the original Nissan. So I think that's probably just what they put on it. It says Nissan Skyline on it right there, which is pretty cool. This one has the fender mounted mirrors as well, which are pretty common back in the era. The interior does look mint, and it has Skyline embroidered like covers as well, which is also nice. Comes factory manual. Oh, if only the reflection wasn't there, but it's also got original visors too. This car is just so clean. And right next to it is a bright red R31. Looks super mint. It's a factory auto. Has an RB30 in it. Looks like it's just naturally aspirated from here. Can't really see a turbo, but yep, naturally aspirated RB30, really nice. Matching paint as well. This is actually a whole R31 and R30 lineup. This is another GTS. Looks very loved as well. Seems like it's had a pretty good life as well. I love the taillights too. And it's got nice little blast pipes over there. Awesome. I don't know what this is. This looks very interesting. Oh no, it's a Nissan. Oh, is it an Exa? That's a Nissan Exa. Damn, how did I get confused? This is just a Nissan corner right here. Next up on the list. Car Review has now gone to the FD quarter. Got this guy running to go and check out the plates. So we got this nice blue RX-7 with the I Love FD plate, which is pretty mint, very suited for the car. Has carbon fiber everywhere, even has a rear diffuser. And it's even got a lot of good fab work on it too. And we got an Integra here. R34 sedan like mine. Crown Athlete, similar to the ones that we saw at Status as well. Now I will never get them wrong, I hope. GT4 as well, and an MR2 right next to it. Oh look,
What's up?
go follow my boy Mark 180 FX.
I haven't got a sticker on my car, but yeah, he'll put a link or something.
It's okay. I gotta get a sticker too, but I'll literally just put one right here.
Yeah,
I'll
I need to get stickers, mate. Make sure you show all my stickers.
yeah, I'll literally just like track it, and then I'll just have like it like showing up. So it's like you have a sticker there. So everyone is packing up. Everyone is rolling out. As you can see, we are all heading out from Sakura Picnic now, and it is over. So I look very sunburnt. This probably doesn't even do me justice, but my cheeks are legit, oh, so bad. I've been in the sun for about 6 hours. Everything is hurting, and I know, I should know by now, if I'm going to go out to a car meet, I should bring sunscreen, a hat, and glasses, but I just forgot to do so. I was so in the moment that I legit forgot the most essential things. But that is not going to stop me from having a good day. And with today done and dusted, it means that it's time to go grab food and it's time to get going. So thank you guys so much for watching my Sakura Picnic video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I sure did. And yeah, hopefully we have another large car meet like this again, because it is definitely way overdue because of COVID. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.